Buying a home is possibly one of the most expensive investments in a person's life. As a savvy home buyer, you should have a home inspected by a professional home inspector during the home buying process. Look at it this way: a home inspection is like a physical examination of the home. The home inspector will thoroughly examine the home looking for safety, function, and structural issues. What they inspect for is the plumbing, electrical, heating and air conditioning, appliances, garage, attic, as well as the exterior roof, siding, foundation, doors, windows, decks, porches, sidewalk, and driveway. You will receive a detailed report with photos and a summary page listing any concerns and items that may need to be addressed in the future. In other words, a home inspection is a vital component of the home transaction process. For most home buyers, the home inspection is part of the home buying process and is an excellent investment. In the long run, the home inspection can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars.